Thank you. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. So without wasting the time, let me go to the subject. See, my role in this meeting is to explain the supremacy of our products comparing with all other Me Too products. Basically, see the advantages of Ayurveda we must understand. The difference, because having studied, qualified and did research in allopathy drugs, see what I find, the superiority over allopathy on Ayurveda is because allopathy drugs treats on the symptoms only. You must understand the difference. All allopathy drugs treat on the symptoms, whereas Ayurveda treat on the root cause of the problem. So if you eliminate the root cause of any problem, you will be all right. In fact, a few of you know that every breath intake generates 60 million cells in our body. See, these cells can only be regenerated if you provide the cells whatever nutrients, oxygen, water, everything you provide. In India, what I see the difference is, see, we are only concerned about the food. That means filling the stomach only. See, we don't care about what is the nutritious value of the food what we take in, or we don't care about the calorie value of the food. If you calculate, see, if you go abroad and see the things, so they always see what is the calorie value of any food, or what is the nutritional value which we in India lacks. So there we comes. In fact, 3-decade-old research of Raju sir has come out with 8 products, which is patented Ayurvedic medicines, which is already available in the market. So after collaborating with Raju sir, I told him, because in networking, see, anybody and everybody cannot sell the medicines. So for the international market, we had already developed Vedic drinks. So those 3 Vedic drinks we are bringing to Indian market on network industry, through network industry. So before I explain, Tuna sir, please share the screen. I would like to express thanks to the management, Raju sir and Tuna sir, for arranging such a big good meeting. See, Ved Elixir has got 3 products. The first product is for all the people. All the people means from child to any old age, without any concern, we can give Ved Nature. Ved Nature is nothing but it's a mixture of, or the extract of 10 Ayurvedic topmost ingredients like Arjuna, Bale, Jamun, Brahmi, Amla, Gokshura, and of course the king of all Ayurveda, which is known as Ashwagandha and Chirata, of course, and all these, the base of the product is neem. So you understand, neem, everybody knows what is neem, and neem has got so many benefits in leprosy, eye disorder, and for fever, diabetes, all the things we use. Otherwise also neem leaves. So the base of all our products is neem, and the main ingredient of our product is ashwagandha, which is known as the king of all herbs. Then of course we have the Arjuna. Arjuna is the best product for heart failure, cardiomyopathy, anemia, and all these things, and of course for viral disease also. Bale is good for diarrhea, asthma, and it reduces the blood sugar as well. Jamun fruit, everybody knows it is anti-diabetic, and it is very good for so many other indications. Brahmi is the best thing for our brain. Alzheimer's disease, for memory, anxiety, and allergic conditions, we use Brahmi. So what I mean to say is, in Ayurveda, there are so many ingredients. With one ingredient, we can treat almost 10 to 15 diseases. And you can very well understand, if there is a combination of 10 the most important Ayurvedic products combined together, taking the extracts, and that too on water base. Water base is the best media for the better absorption. And this product can be used for almost more than 100 disorders of the human body. So this is common, and this can be given to everybody. 15 to 30 ml in the morning, and in the evening will take care of all your cellular regeneration problems. I make it a point, all our products are unique in nature, and this can eliminate or detoxify all the dead cells from the body, and it helps in triggering the organs to regenerate new cells. You will definitely understand, once our dead cells are removed from the body, the new cells regenerate. And if all the organs cells are regenerated well in time, there will be no disease. I said no disease in the body. That means you keep all the health happy, mature, and healthy, so that there will not be any disease within the body. That we eliminate all the oxidized cells from the body, plus we help in regenerating the cells. Once the cells are regenerated, of course, there will be no disease. That is the beauty of Ved Nature. 15 ml for the children and 30 ml for the adult. Morning and evening will help you. And the second product is Ved Immune. Ved Immune is for boosting up, sir. Ved Immune, you can again, the main ingredient is ashwagandha on neem base. Ashwagandha on neem base itself gives you the beauty. Talks about the beauty of the product. And the Ved Immune is basically for improving the immune power of the body. See, today, due to this COVID, everybody talks about immune. The whole world talks about immune. A decade, if you go back 1 decade, 10 year, you go back, and nobody knows what is immune. And today, because of Corona, everybody talks about immune. What is the immune power of the body? Immune power is nothing but the capacity to fight the virus, bacteria, fungus, which comes to your body. If you are able to fight at the entry level, that means coronavirus comes through the nostrils. If you are able to kill those viruses then and there is no corona. So the only remedy for get rid of this corona is keep your immune balanced. See, the food intake proper. If you take proper food, proper diet, nutritions, and calorie calculated food, of course your body has got its own system to develop the immune power. Immune power is the capacity to fight the invading virus, bacteria, and funguses. It contains Arjuna, Jamun, Neem, Ashwagandha, Chirata, and Mandapiprata. The combination of this on aqua base. See, basically we boil in all these ingredients for 3 hours at 92.5 degrees centigrade. Then whatever the extract comes out, that is our product. You can say this, you don't need anything to mix with. You can simply take 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night. These are the two main products. One for general purpose to all the people, that is Ved Nature, and Ved Immune is for specifically made for boosting up your immune power. So you don't have to run around for Remdesivir or anything of that sort if you are suffering with corona also. And in the epidemic period, this is an amrut. You can give it to all the people so that your immune strength can be increased, and you can get rid of all these problems. So this is a unique product for immune support. And of course, the third product is for increasing the power of the body. That means that product, it takes another 10 days to reach, and that product is on the way. It is basically the our product brand name is Ved Power, which is already there in the international market for the last 3 years, which contains moringa leaves. Moringa leaves is the best plant protein. That's what I said. Plant protein, plant-based protein can give you enough strength, muscle strength, and power of the body. And it contains muesli, safed muesli as well. Cinnamon is there, ashwagandha is there, and kapi kachu is also there. Then we have a nutmeg, bala, tulsi also there, of course, with amla. This is a combination of almost 12 ingredients, and it is in the powder form. And you just take half a spoon of powder in the morning and half in the evening. Even if you take one time in a day, that will give you enough strength, or what I can say, this can increase the horsepower of your body. So this product is very powerful, and this can give you energize your body instantly. This is the ultimate product for increasing your power of the body. These are the 3 products. I wanted to do it in a short time. That's why. Thank you very much. I hope all of you understood.